I want to show you some wire EDM tooling devices that we're able to mount on a 90-degree angle. Customer had on a side mount Aeroa Chuck on his wire EDM table that he got from us. So basically he has an Aeroa face that he can put multiple things on it. He wanted to put some of our Vises on his Aeroa Chuck. So we designed this right angle plate that has Aeroa face plate on one side. That way he can mount the Aeroa right to his chuck on his table. And from there, he has the ability to now take Vises. This one's a 4-inch vise. We sell these Vises in different sizes. This one's a 6-inch vise. So he can now take this and with 8mm screws, mount the chuck right to our 90-degree holder. So with 2 screws, basically, now he's mounted at a 90-degree angle. He can hold different parts on his wire EDM, and basically, he can take it on and off here super simply. If you like the video, subscribe below. If you have any questions, let me know.